Wagwan family, blessings for the new year. Enough respect, big up on yourself. 365 of 365. God is good. We made it. 2023, here we come. Today, I want to just send out a nice little message about don't let their attitude affect yours. You know, sometimes in our life we say, yo, may I change up the way we do things, especially because this is the new year. A lot of us might be saying, I'm going to change the way I do things, because you can't be doing the same thing over and over and expect different results. That's a sign of madness. I'm going to be more selfish, because in the past I was selfless. I used to give my love, time, energy, money, and it's not being reciprocated, especially from the people who are expecting it to come back from. But I want to tell you, don't let their attitude affect you. Just if you're a kind person by nature, if you're a nice person by nature, if you're a positive person by nature, don't make, because people who do not show you in return or give back to you in return cause you to change the way you spread your light. The Bible says, let your light shine so that men may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. You know, I remember when I was in primary school, I beg some of them cheese sticks, and them said no. You know, so next time when I have my patty or cheese sticks or nothing, and them beg me, I go tell them no, you know, I not give them. A lot of times we're not appreciated for what we do, and it seems like, you know, gratitude not being shown, and it seems like we're still being rejected. But you know what? Let me tell you something. People always say, I know who you give, go and give back to you. And when God bless you, He bless you in abundance. So don't let their attitude affect yours. Continue to give, man. Continue to be loving. Continue to be kind. Continue to make an impact in your community, in your society, in your little small corner. Continue to bless up people. Continue to do the work of God, you know, because when you are kind in this mean and cruel world, you'll be really doing the work of God, you know. And then, you know, when you stop doing it because of other person's attitude, what you do is you have given them the power. You have given them power over you. You have allowed them to affect you negatively instead of you affecting them positively. And I know it's not easy. Sometimes you're doing it for a while and you're saying, boy, it not happen. People don't change like that. I don't believe people just get up and change. I believe people's attitude is amended according to their circumstances, but people don't change. Like for me, whatever you show me, that's what I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it as that. What you show me, I'm gonna believe you, and I'm not gonna believe that you're gonna change. But I'm not doing what I do for you. I'm doing it for myself, because a lot of times, if we are that type of person who will always give, always make sure that people are happy and so on, and then because we feel rejected, we feel like it's not being accepted or the gratitude is not being shown for what we do, we decide to go against our nature and go against how we grow. Then it affects us. Like mentally, it affects us, and we don't feel good about it. The truth is, we're not going to accept it. You know, the truth is, of course yourself to be mean. So look here, where do. Don't let their attitude affect yours. Look at the 1 and 2 who are still showing gratitude. The 1 and 2 who are still accepting of what you give and what you do. And look at God Himself, who love you and love what you do, and say, yo, don't stop, you're doing my work. You understand? This world is full of evil and darkness already. Go and give, love, bless up yourself, show positivity, and don't let their attitude affect yours. Because guess what? 2023, a new we. New you, new me. And we still are gonna be we. Though. Yeah. So it's so funny that I started the video in the morning, and before the day was over, I had so many tests of my faith to be unkind and to be aggressive and to be just, you know. I went to buy some liquor, and the lady said, oh, you need your ID. I said, clearly I look over 18. She said, no, you need to be 25. And I'm wondering, when did the law change? So we went back to the shop to lodge a complaint and to speak to the lady, because at some point I need to go back there to buy liquor, and I don't need the same level of antagonism, you know. So she wasn't there and the guy was there, and I said to him, okay, so it's 18 years or older to purchase alcohol. Do I look 18? He says no. He said, but there's also where if you look under 25, we were going to request your ID. I said, to be honest, do I look under 25? He said, honestly, no. Low key, me want him to say yes. No, I'm not delusional. I don't look under 25. I might look like 25 going up, but not under 25. So I went and I got my ID. I only had my Japanese driver's license on me, and she said, I can't read that. And we were there back and forth, and I'm like, I need the thing. And it's clear that my face is there. Oh, is this a driver's license? I said, yes. I can't read it. So that's my face, that's my name, that's my date of birth, but it is in the Japanese number. Oh, I don't know what that age is saying. So I said, just Google it. It's not my case to Google blah, blah, blah. Somebody said it's harassment because, first of all, I definitely look over 18. She changed it to say it's not 18, it's 25. And then when I said to her, what do you do when Asians come? Oh, I asked them for their IDs, their passport. You need to have a passport. This is a law, blah, blah, blah. And I can be fined. So I said, okay, I have a picture of my passport on my phone. No, you need a physical thing. So obviously that lady was being spiteful. And I'm thinking, I haven't really encountered people being like that for a long time, so I didn't even realize or that I don't remember how to argue my case. Because I could have said, how did you read the Asian's passport? Because I'm sure they're not in English. Did you ask for translation? I was like, I put the thing back and I left. So we're going to visit her tomorrow to ask her where she saw that law that it should be 25 and not 18. Like, seriously. I went into another shop to buy something and I had another item in my hand, and the lady said, oh, what about that item? I said, no, I bought it next door. So many people go into the shops with the bags, with their stuff, and you dare not ask them, what about that? Because clearly it's not from your shop. I'm actually happy the way I handled the first lady about the age thing, because you know, sometimes you can have your rights and give it away by being rude or whatever, because now I have the upper hand to report her for harassment. Because whew. So I'm like, wow, this is a test of what I was saying, to see if I'm true to what I'm saying, if I will practice what I preach. And I'm glad I made it through the day. It's all right. It's all right. I still exercise self-control. I exercised patience, and I exercised kindness and a whole lot of humility. So 2023 has started with a lot of testing of faith already. And I know that the testing of faith is to build character. So who is complaining? I'm just asking God to give me the grace to deal with it, because I'm a human being and I sometimes can get hot-headed. It's been a while since that side of me come out, because it doesn't need to come out, but it's still there, I know. And so I'm just hoping that I can just go on, well, it isn't me. Anyways, pick up myself, enough respect. This is a little journal of my journey. 2023. Don't let their attitude affect yours. And a message that we are saying,